Hello, what's your name?
My name is Jane.
Hi, Jane. Are you here for the kitchen job?
Yes, I want to work here.
Have you worked in a kitchen before?
Yes, I helped in a small restaurant.
What did you do there?
I washed dishes and cut vegetables.
That's good. Can you work fast?
Yes, I can work fast.
Do you work well with others?
Yes, I like working with people.
Can you work at night?
Yes, I can work anytime.
Good. We work from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
That is okay for me.
Do you want full-time or part-time?
Full-time, please.
The pay is 15 per hour.
Thank you. That's good.
Can you start tomorrow?
Yes, I can.
Great. Welcome, Jane.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Hello. Yes, of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a jacket.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here is a medium jacket. Do you like this color?
Yes, it's nice. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. It fits well. How much is it?
It's $40.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. You can pay at the counter.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I see your ticket and passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Are you flying to London today?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay,
Thank you. Your bag is fine. Here is your boarding pass.
thank you. What gate do I go to?
Gate 12. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Hello. Do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Hello. Yes, we have a few rooms available.
Great. How much is one night?
It's $60 per night.
Okay. I'll take one room, please.
Sure. Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you want breakfast?
Yes, please.
All right. Your room number is 205. Here is your key.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Good night.
Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, what kind of coffee would you like?
A cappuccino, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Any sugar or milk?
Yes, a little sugar, no milk.
All right. Anything else?
Yes. One slice of chocolate cake.
Got it. That's $6, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
No problem.
Here's your coffee and cake. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.